Kajing Kren ubah Sñiawbhalang dahar Nongaiktien National People's Party ubereru sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala beri kemi Ketenat Urban Affairs hakmat kilat patai kubor hakanok paisngi jangka arpoi tering nailar arja arpusau baka Kongres kan saja na Kajala Meghalaya kalayok jubab nauba Vincent H. Pala Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ubala Kynnoh kala ba ubah Sñiawbhalang udah Nongaiktien ke RSS baru Kren hakasur jangka Bharatiya Janata Party. Ketika jingkran ubah Sñiawbhalang kala long jah din arsngi kejinglet penyesok laingot ke MLA syaka National People's Party kata ubah Charles Marngar ubah Gabriel Walang batu Dr. Celestine Lingdo. Habakran sikilat patai kubor din kejingelang ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC haka arpo arterik nailar arja arpusau haka Congress Bhavan kata lem ki nongkit kam ke parti na ki blok ki bahab haka rilum khasi jaintia banya ther penklanya ke parti bat banya krani ketika mat jing penyesok ki MLA syaka NPP ubah pala uloong baki AKA baro ki day namar ke BJP.
Shillong Mail
Congress
has to voice.
Congress book mail.
Has to voice. Otherwise, they know all illegalities from drugs, coal to anything, all done by Shillong and company. So the CBI, I was an MP, I know. They used to come to me and ask for feedback, intelligence, this. All their files are in the table. At time will come, then we'll see that who is Shillong. I'll tell you, the history will tell who is Pala, who is Shillong. The history will tell when these people will be in a certain. You have seen many of the people are in jail, be it Kejriwal, be it any party, any chief minister, any ex-chief minister, any ministers. The records which they put, one day they'll land in problem. Today they have to speak the voice of the BJP, otherwise they'll be finished by the BJP. So the voice of Shillong is 100% the voice of the BJP, the voice of the RSS. The people of Meghalaya should know who is he. He has been exposed by his statement. He has been used by the BJP. He has been used by the RSS. Request all the MLAs to come. So in that meeting on the 16th of August, we invited all of them, but two of them, Gabriel and Charles Marngar, did not turn up for the meeting. Dr. Celestine came for the meeting on the 16th. And he told us in the meeting that he may or may not go, but he will let us know. So his presence was the meeting, gave us hope that we should not suspend him, whereas the other two did not come for meeting. Actually, the suspension was not taken by the MPCC. We only sent our views and recommendations, resolutions to Delhi. So the Delhi took the action against all of them. So we enlighten our workers that also we may go for a case against all this. We are consulting the lawyers on these issues. We'll see what are the pros and cons which can benefit the party as well as the people as a large. Because I think this is too much for the BJP and NPP. How they have taken our people unnecessarily. For example, this is happening in Jharkhand. If you see how the BJP is trying to poach the numbers, it happened in Himachal. They tried even in Karnataka. It happened in Maharashtra. It happened in many areas where the Congress was ruling. The target of the BJP is to see that the Congress is wiped out of the country. The same voice of the NPP here also, Meghalaya Congress Move Bharat, the same voice. So this voice is not only the NPP, this voice has been tutored by the BJP. The people of Meghalaya should know that the BJP and the NPP, the relationship has become stronger and stronger. With that in mind, we had contributed in the District Council through Panchangan and his team. We worked together in the District Council because at that time, our intention was that since the 6th schedule will be amended and it was introduced in the Rajya Sabha, sent to the parliamentary committee, gave a recommendations. We thought that we should also, as a party which has given the 6th schedule to the people of Meghalaya, we should have a say in that. So that say we have given our views through the members in this council. But very unreliable partner NPP has taken away our people, trying to destroy us. This is the achieving views and ideas and intention is being dominated by the ideas of the BJP. That's why most of the people today, they thought that we should take a decision regarding a tie-up with the NPP in the council. Will we discuss this? Because that cannot be taken by the party alone. The members of the council has to take a decision, because whenever we are working with any party, it is the leader of the house to take a decision. The party can only advise them or can only give them a direction. But major of the things, the leader of the house will take a decision.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakambha kajing im bakambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Rak Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.